240s. Just waiting to get in right now. This line is crazy. Look at this. Backed up for like at least a good mile before we get in there. Hella cars, guys. Look at this. This is absolutely ridiculous right now. Out here, Broke East Thompson Speedway right now. It's a sweet day. Rain's holding off, which is good. There is a ton of cars. I haven't even got to the actual sick cars yet, so stay tuned for that footage.
That's good.
Check this dude out. 8th Gen Nate. Sick build, bro. The VIP section is fire right now, guys.
That's good.
Coming out, got the homie right here. Throw his link down below. If you guys seen my H-Day video, you've seen that this boy has a Craftworks supercharger right here.
I deleted the
Is this how many L's you took?
Is that the win or the L list? Nah.
That's the win.
Shit's fire, dude. Seriously, man.
The L's on that side, man.
Hell yeah. So now that you're at this point with the car, dude, what else do you want to do with this thing? I mean, is there any more you want to do as far as looks? Or you're pretty much satisfied where you're at, bro?
I may go for 500 horses.
Hell yeah.
At White Carbon Pro Fenders Company. I believe she made 400.
Definitely one of my favorite SIs right here. The color combination and everything is absolutely on point. Whichever car that is. On bags right now, that is crazy because the roads around here are absolutely shot, guys. I don't know how this dude would literally drive. Look at that. How you would drive like that. Got the 9th gen FB6 right there. Stock, all stock. Keep it stock. If you're watching this video, don't mod it. Keep it reliable. Not really though. Look at this, dude. K-swap, dude. A K-swapped EM2 right here. K20A2. Really a dope setup, guys. Upgraded throttle body. I need this ram here. That is my favorite so far that I've seen on an SI. This is so, dude. All K-swap. No, I'm just kidding.
That's a B series boost.
Nothing wrong with the B, dude. Whose is that? It's Honda parking only. Look at that. Turbo manifold. 9th gen. Yo! FG2 right here. Got the 10th gen SI right here. By far, like the rarest Honda here. Look at this thing. Look at this. There's ever a zombie apocalypse, I'm running to this dude's car right here. Got a bunch of Focus ST kits right now, just revving, straight revving. They actually sound really good. We got a rev competition going. Look at this. Oh my god. Gonna blow it up, dude. Gonna blow it up. I'm gonna... Bro, 9th gen. Officially left the event right now. As you can see, got the SI, GTI, and the Camry. So we're out here, Wendy's, about to feast.